What's up YouTube, this is your boy Riccomentals and I'm back with another beat tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how I make beats for Mthimbani and all the other people I produce beats for. In today's tutorial, it's a trap guitar piano beat. So the first thing I have on this beat is the piano. I got it from Nexus, and the tempo of the beat, it's on 145. So this is the keys. So here there's a strum, as you can see, this like G note has a slight delay on it, and then the other thing is I took the volume to 65%, and then I also used the randomizer, but then I used this session of like levels. I just, to like make the keys more realistic, the volume has to like be different on like different keys, so it can have that realistic piano feeling. And then on the last part here, I just played this twice, so like I can make some like a difference, because I don't want it to like play the same thing over and over again. So that's the piano. And then right now we go into the guitar. I have a guitar here, an acoustic guitar. I got it from this plugin. It's called Ampli Guitar M2 Lite. So this is what it sounds like. So what's in here on the mixer, it's only reverb. I didn't put a lot. It's only reverb. I actually like that. Like these days I like guitars. I like to play around with them. And then the other thing is this. I got it from Purity. I think it's a flute. Let me check. Yeah, it's a saxophone. Let me just play it first. Sounds like. So here there's RC20, because I had to like make it wobbly. So I just came to like here on the presets, and then I choose this, the 2-1, and then I didn't really do a lot. I just took this wobbly effect. It was on, I think it was on 4%. The thing right now it's on 8%. And then the other thing I did is I put reverb to like make it a little bit like spacey. So let me play it without the effect so you can hear the difference. And then now with these effects. So as you can hear, it's like more spacey and more soft. And then this doesn't play a lot on the beat, but then it's like brass. It's like for the when the beat changes from the hook to chorus, I just put this on like one of the choruses. The second one doesn't have. So like this only plays once on the entire beat. And then this, I put it on the same channel as the saxophone. And then now done with that, we have the last sound, which is the saxophone, another one from DSK, this plugin here. And then then it sounds like this. And then that's that. And then now we are going to the beats part of the beat, to the drums part of the beat. I mean, The first thing we have is the kick. Plays like, that's a hard kick. I like my kicks hard. So what I have here, it's only one thing, which is the Maximus. I went to mastering, and then I went to Slam AMP master. So without the Maximus, it sounds like, doesn't have power. I don't like my kicks low. I like them hard. So with that, it has more power. Now we are going to the clap. It's just basic, like 4-step. It's not really 4-step though. Yeah, it is 4-step. Let me stop playing, and then right now we go to the hi-hats. I think I got this from a MIDI. I just dragged and dropped a MIDI because your hi-hats sometimes, I be lazy. So let me check the channel. It's on 4. The only thing here, I think there's nothing. Oh wow, I think I put something, but it's not there. So it means I didn't do anything right there. And then we have another one. We have another open head. So like these two complement each other. These two, they work together. Like, so yeah, and then we have this. Plays how it sounds like. Sorry about that. So it just does this like throughout the whole bit. And then right now we come to the 808, my favorite part. I like bass. Boom, boom, boom. So usually most of my beats I use slides, but then these days I'm like limiting my slides. There's only one slide, even though this note, the like velocity, it's on 0. So like the only sound which plays it's from the slide. So like it gives me this this nice slide feeling. If like this wasn't at 0, was gonna sound different, like. So that's just way too basic. And then when it's like, it has like quality, it sounds good. And if you've made it this far, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a video. And I would like to thank each and every one of you who's watching these videos, and then those who subscribed. I really appreciate it a lot. It's really helping me a lot. And then please like the video, it really helps with the YouTube algorithm.